And welcome back, students, to our final lesson with arrays and references. Let's talk about methods that return an array. So in Java, a method may return an array, rather than just a primitive type. You can specify the return type for a method that returns an array in the same way that you specify a type for an array parameter. So for example, the following is example of a method that returns an array. Public static char, uppercase version, char a, char temp equals new char a.length. Int I, for I is equal to 0, I is less than a.length, I plus plus, temp I is equal to character dot to uppercase, a of I, return temp. So, some quick syntax on returning an array. As we mentioned, a method can return an array. The details are basically the same as for a method that returns the object of a class type. So here's just the generic version, public static base type, array, method name, parameter list, some code inside. Right? That's the basic outline. Now, the important thing to note about this when you look at the syntax is that the method actually does not need to be static, and it does not need to be public. So you could actually make a private method if you wanted and do an array conversion, or it doesn't have to be static. Right? And you also do not necessarily need to use a local variable such as temp. So here's just another example for you, so you can look over. Now, I like using temp variables just because they're nice. So here's an example, public static int array, incremented array, int array, a, int increment. And so we're going to do int array temp is equal to new int of a dot length. And so then we say int I is equal, for I is equal to 0, I is less than a dot length, I plus plus, temp I is equal to array a of I plus increment, return temp. So pretty straightforward, I think. You're pretty much taking whatever is in this first array here, and you're incrementing it. Some array name types. When you need an array type name, whether for the type of the array variable declaration, the type of an array parameter, or the type for a method that returns array, you specify the type name in the same way. So just a quick example here. Double array a equals new double 10. Int, give int array char array parameter. So just some quick examples right there. And that's just going to kind of wrap this up here real quick, folks. So that's going to be it for today. Until next time.